Hello everybody, I'm here with a video, and if you want to see it, you can see here, that's my video. So I did it right after this, because I just want to play tf2 so much, I love it. We're gonna play Bomb. I'm gonna start here, good. I'm so excited for a new gameplay of tf2. I want to start with Thunder Mountain. I love this server a lot. We're gonna see how long they have been coming on the server, and we can change class from that. I wanna be red team, you know. That's the most best team. Yeah, you don't know what I'm talking about. Hello. So we're gonna be red team, and we're gonna be spies. Oh, we're gonna be spies. Yeah, we are. We are going to be spies. Because we're smoking stuff. Whoa, that was a spa. It's a spa equipment. Or it was a spa equipment. That guy is a spa. You took him down. Good. No. That's just a normal knife. Probably was a knife that I already have. Yeah, that's probably what I think. You. Oh, we can take down you first. You have that thing, imagine me. We're not going to take down you first. Okay, no, we're going to take down you first. Kill. Oh, damn it! A headshot there would kill him. Yeah, but I did get a kill there, so I'm proud of myself. 1 kill! I'm not proud of myself at all. Let's be this class. I don't know what it's called right now because I'm stupid. Oh! Take him down, dudes. Cause that's a spa. That's a spa, dude. Have them been killing? I think they did kill him. Yeah. Is this working, dude? Oh my god, dudes, this is amazing. Oh my god! Oh my god! Do we have a? We don't have. Good. Who shall guide me now? I don't have anybody that can guide me, but I know where I'm gonna be standing in front of your eyes. Direct and dispenser. Can we do that? Here. Teleport. Yeah, teleport here, dudes. Oh, you can put a teleporter there. Okay, that's okay, dudes. If I can get the medal and the help from it, that's... What are you trying to do? What? Did you see something? Did you see... Already? Is it been started? No. That was a hit. Headshot. 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 I think the last of my. So I'm gonna shake here for spies or for peoples that wanna walk out here. Probably snipers and like that kind of stuff. Haven't been out walking yet. Here, I think. Pyro there. Pyro. Wanna get killed? No, he didn't. That's a sad thing, actually. He didn't want to get killed. Everybody that I have met has been Wanted to be killed. How the heck did I miss that shot, dude? That's unbelievable. Well, spider. Well, spa? No, that's a sniper over there. Where are they already? Have then been disappearing already. Check that dude! Check that dude! Check that dude! I did take him down. Whoa. Take that. Oh, we are a big problem already, dude. Oh, he's a fucking good weapon, dude. That's amazing, dude. Yeah, headshot. He's gone. Yeah. Oh, he did died. I think, yeah. Took him down. Whoa, 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 dude. It's amazing, 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 amazing. So, took him down. Oh, I didn't see him, but I did get a headshot there. I'm proud of myself. 2 headshots and 4 kills. That's actually not super bad. It has been going a while, yeah. It has. But I didn't get any lots of chances, so I think I am alright with that. I did see someone there. Walking along that. Whoa, we have a sniper over there. Sniper walking out of their spawn. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nobody there. Oh, you a spa, dude. No, that's a spa, dude. That's a spa. Whipping around here. Whoa, I see that sniper, dude. I see that sniper. Oh, he did disappear. Oh, something. He's not here now. Yes. Oh, shake him, dude. Good. Yeah. Watch your backs. Watch your backs, dudes. Watch your backs. In front of your headshot. No, you stand in the wrong way, dude. Oh, did you take him down? Yeah, good. Whoa, 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 whoa! Fix that sentry, dude. Fix everything. I really need that dispenser. Oh. That's a spot, that's a spot. Killed probably soon. Yeah. Pyros. Of course, pyros. Yeah, they checked that, dude. Whoa! Everything was destroyed. It's hard now to build up, yeah, because they have already been starting shooting at us. Whoa, that should actually. That was not. Oh! I want a shot from the. He's up on the roof. He's up on the roof to get sound. He's up on the roof to get found. He's up on the roof to get down. He's up on the roof to get lucky. He's up on the roof. Admin roll. Admin. He's up all night to get shot. He's up all night to get killed. He's up all night to get killed. What? How can that? Whoa! Real much people walking up on that. That should actually be a handshot. So I'm proud of myself, dude. Shake for spies, dudes. That's a big thing here in California. Okay, good job there. Reloading my weapon. We already have like dispenser and everything here. Okay, give me ammunition. Oh, I didn't get a lot. Can we get some more? We can just take this. Yeah, I think that's the max. Yeah, it is. Okay, then we can walk. I want to build a base there too, dude. That's amazing. Bakasusha! Bakasusha, dude! Bakasusha! I am not looking at my health bar, dudes. I don't know. If I'm quiet, I'm just focusing. That's probably that I just do now. Oh my god. They are probably going to make this. Yeah, because it's much time left, dude. Because they are getting a lot more time every day. Because we will not like give them more time. I hope our not team are saying that to them, you know. Yeah, that should be stupid. You're bleeding, dude. Is it good? Oh, I think so. I'm not trusting you, dude. Oh, I'm not trusting you at all. I should not be trusting you! Amazing. Amazing. You. Oh. Shall we try out our new thingamajiggy here? Let's reload it. Oh, that's a good weapon actually. Yeah. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Heavy duty damage. I want some heavy damage, dude. That's what our team needs. Heavy duty damage. Right now. Whoa! Starting to be dangerous, dude. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, good. I'm gonna check the dead one, dude. Oh, do we want it? Do we want my weapon, dude? Do we want my old weapon? Do we want my... Too soon, dude. Okay, we take that, dude. We take that, of course. Did I? That's not good, dude. That's not even funny. I wanna die. Dudes. This will wrap it up now. Of course not. Oh, you're dancing there. I see you. You're so beautiful. Oh my god. Let's skip. Okay, missbrukaren, I'm talking some. Have I been talking Swedish? No, no, I haven't been talking Swedish. What am I talking about, dude? Talking about. I've never played on this server before. I'm so scared, guys. I have never been playing on this server before. I have played on this server on the tutorial, probably. I don't know that. I haven't been. Notice that cool dude. Oh, are everybody ready? Let's go, 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 walk, 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 walk. Go, 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 go. I have been walking that. I think you're playing on this server. We are playing on the tutorial for tf2 soldier. No, it's heavy. Can it be spa? Probably not. Yeah, it can be spa. Yeah, it's spa. Yeah, it's spa. Yeah, definitely spa. Okay, dude. These guys are probably masters. You know what I'm saying? Not even close. Not even close. This bad boy. This is my boy. This is my boy. I'm probably going to be backstabbed on the way. Cause I'm shaking. Weren't a spa. Oh no, fucking not people. I already have that. Please give me something needed. I want something needed actually, so that's bad. Yeah, it is. Reload weapon. Reload it. Wow, dude, I want that a lot. Oh, black box, dude, reload it. Why am I just playing with black box, dude? I don't even think that's good. Oh, sexy, and I know it. Oh, that's sexy, dude. I really want that, dude. That's super sexy. How he was making a reload, probably. Some new ammunition, dude. How? I really want that weapon, dude. That was the little splashes. My ena kan butt. My ena. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. Oh, we have been like pushing the cart along. Yeah, good. Oh no, we don't want to loss. Lucy it. Lucy it. Lucy. I got my fury. I didn't have a chance. I'm a little spy. No, I wasn't even a spy, dudes. Can you see the difference? Yeah, I can, dude. But it's hard. Of course. Yeah. Woohoo! I'm down for real. Good work now, guys. Come on, we can hold this. We can hold this. Come on, come on, come on. Come on and work it. No, no, no. Play this finish. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. No, 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 no. Don't be captured. Don't be captured anymore. No, I don't want you. Because you are just normal. I want some differences. Yeah, I did took him down there. I think I was getting a nice kind of thingamajiggy. I'm holding it. No. I don't want to get this, dude. Oh, I don't want to die. I like pyro. I really like pyro. I know it's a noob class, actually. Yeah, I shouldn't be playing it. I shouldn't be. Oh, I almost forgot I have some fun, you guys. Oh, why do we need to stop? As always, bye bye.